You're watching NBC5 News at 10.
The city of Dallas is now facing a lawsuit from the family of a man who was killed during a police chase. Anthony Welch was driving on I-35E near Red Oak 11 days ago when police say that a murder suspect crashed into Welch's car while the suspect was being followed by police. In an interview you'll only see on NBC5, attorneys for Welch's family share why they filed suit.
First and foremost, to make sure this never, ever happens again to an innocent family and they don't suffer the devastation that this family has suffered.
Loved ones of Anthony Welch say they're seeking justice for a loss they can never fully replace. On January 16th, Anthony and his wife Dee were driving on I-35E near Red Oak. They were quickly approached from behind by 29-year-old Gabriel Cerna, a suspect wanted for capital murder who was leading Dallas officers on a high-speed chase. A Dallas police report says Cerna failed to control his speed, colliding with Welch's car. Welch died at the scene, with his wife hospitalized in critical condition.
We believe the balance here was not met with respect to risk versus benefits of this police chase at high speed on I-35E.
The Welch's children are now suing Cerna and the city of Dallas. In the lawsuit, the family says the city is vicariously responsible for the negligence and recklessness of their employees/agents, the pursuing police officers. They say the officers' decision to pursue Cerna for more than 2 miles on the interstate put bystanders at risk.
And the tragic result was a death and someone who is fighting for her life in the hospital as we sit here talking today.
The Welch family could have difficulty seeking legal action against the city of Dallas. The law of qualified immunity protects state and local officials, including law enforcement officers, from individual liability unless the official violated a clearly established constitutional right. The defense has been used in North Texas in the past. In 2021, a federal court ruled 2 Arlington officers couldn't be sued for tasing a man covered in gasoline during a mental health crisis, causing his death because they had qualified immunity.
But there's been some recent developments in the law that give us some hope and some pause here, and should give the city some pause in defending this case.
In October, the U.S. Supreme Court threw out a federal court's decision to grant qualified immunity to police in Laredo who arrested a social media journalist who published information obtained from police sources. The Welch family says it shows cities can be held accountable under the law.
Everyone, including my clients, would agree that police officers should be able to and should be allowed to pursue criminal suspects. But reasonable care, a balancing of risks versus benefits needs to occur, and we believe that just did not occur here.
Keenan Willard, NBC5.
Well, the Welch family is suing for at least $1 million in damages. NBC5 asked the city of Dallas and Dallas police for a response to the claims in the lawsuit, but both said their policy is not to discuss ongoing litigation.